Akunnor echese ebra ote se Kotoko se onko technical director anasa mu eyi na di no ne ho dwe ni pa o chese no hu boni bi awaye a Kotoko ejina so se enu nti wo mo apam no as head coach edema bobuku no
CK Akunnor former Black Stars captain and Modimbo Esweniye pa Nebeka America ka etwem na head coach Edma Kumasi Asante Kotoko odi Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobuku ni enim ema Confederations Cup omukọ ekusi aka emu ebi anomo Modimbo Esweniye pa nanse ya ensuru normalization committee competition eba ni wie one competition no oboy ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko crew akese daso no omunsa etumi ekan na ni nemu enche bia ana management omudi Kumasi Asante Kotoko enim edba bontin se ora CK Akunnor e wo sodini dibia eto as head coach eko technical director Edma Kumasi Asante Kotoko eno anansentro for yebo pin CK Akunnor ebisa ne se emra sa ensem eba bontin ofa ne sen ocha na ene ye pa a oche se efebisu no onjintum se tim ni mpanifo ene ne edini ye kra na suna emu no ode asida kese Edma Kumasi Asante Kotoko so man akonya se obe head coach no jitum se wa na femu de aboa ama CC Kumasi Asante Kotoko Modimbo no egusua ensueni.
And I had to come out of a difficult moment, you know, to make things happen. And I wouldn't be able to do that if God had not been with me, you know. And like I said early on, He knew me before I was born in my mother's womb, and therefore everything that happens, everything, nothing. Whether I'm with Ash Gold and I'm asked to go, I'm with Kotoko, I'm asked, it's part of the fact that I'm here today, you know. It's part. And I can only be better, you know, and I believe that God has a purpose for me, and that purpose will come out one day. Well, it was shocking. I was just as shocked as you were, you know, but it's happened. I can't take it back. But hey, I'm so grateful, you know. I'm so grateful that I was given that platform, you know, to exhibit my coaching talents, and if that hadn't happened, if Ash Gold had not happened, I don't think any of you guys will believe in me. Believe that I can even do something. You know, I declined with that offer, you know, because I believe I'm a coach, and that should be the way. You know, and so there's a letter that is written to them, and I'm sure they will also reply and all those. But it's not in my hands anymore. I've kept my mute. I've not spoken a lot about it because I don't know the law, you know, it's not my area, and so I've left it for my lawyers to deal with whether I wouldn't want to leave Kotoko acrimoniously, you know, I wouldn't want to do that, and so it should be clear on that.
Clubs are all guso eya hobabua Europe na enano pay ya Charles